Okay, good evening, all of you. I think you can hear me, no?
Good evening.
Okay, I think you should have done the paper. කරලා තියෙන කියලා මම හිතනවා. Okay, in this session, we are going to discuss the measurements related short questions. Okay, all these are past paper questions. So let's see how we solve the such kind. Now, to solve these questions, you have to remember the equations of the perimeter and the area that we used to find area perimeter of plane figures. Okay, then look at here the first one. It is a trapezium, no? Now you have to remember what are the what is the formulae that we use to find the area of a trapezium. If you have the print of this tutorial, it is better. If it is not, you can take a note. Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium can be obtained. Now, if you consider trapezium like this, and if the sum of, or if it is given that the length of the two parallel straight lines and the perpendicular heights, then you have to take the sum of the parallel lines divide by divide by 2, and this is multiplied by okay, let's take this screen. My screen එක ගන්නකෝ. This shape one also a trapezium, and there is some kind of shapes like this. Okay, මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියෙන shape එකේ වටත් අපි කියනවා trapeziums කියලා. එතකොට මේ trapeziums වර්ග දෙකම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. සමහර ළමයිට නම් trapezium කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලාවත් ඒගොල්ලෝ අඳුරන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ යාලට මතක නැති ප්‍රශ්නෙත් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා හැම වෙන්න බෑ. Then trapezium එකක් කියන්නේ it is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel lines. Okay, then This is perpendicular height and this is the length of the two parallel lines. Here P, Q and H කියන්නකෝ. එතකොට නැත්නම් මේක මම A B ම ගන්නවා. B. Then write down area of a trapezium is obtained by sum of two parallel lines, divide by 2 and it is multiplied by perpendicular height. It is multiplied by perpendicular height. Then sum of two parallel lines, it is A plus B upon 2 times H. Okay, this is the formula that we use to find the area of a trapezium. Okay, if you want, you can write down this. Okay, if so, how we find the area of this trapezium? The area of the trapezium can be obtained by, now no need to write the formulae, you can just write the values, substitute the values. That means sum of two parallel lines, 10 and 18, it is divided by 2 and is multiplied by 8. Okay, then 10 plus 8 it is 28, divide by 2 times 8. 8 divided by 2 it is 4. 4 times 8 it is 32. 4 times 2, 8 plus 3 it is 11. 112 square centimeters. Okay. In the given diagram, for equal circular arcs are drawn by taking the vertices of the squares as the centers. Find the arcs of the shaded portion. Okay. Find the arcs. It should be find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of the shaded portion. Okay. How we find the perimeter of the shaded portion? The perimeter means total outer length. Then the shaded portion, you can identify it is covered by 4 arcs. Okay. The one arc is relevant to the quarter of a circle. Okay, so we can find the arc length. Arc length of a quarter. It is can be obtained as 1/4 time 2πr. Okay, then substitute 1/4, 2 into 22/7 into r is 7. Okay, then 7 to 7 cancel. 2 cancel by 4, it is 2. Then 22 divided by 2, it is 11. Then put the arc length of a chord is 11 centimeters. There are 4 such kind of arcs. Therefore, 11 multiplied by 4, answer is 44 centimeters. Okay, so then actually you can find the answer here. You have to just write 1/4 into 2 into 22/7 into r is 7. 7 to, and also you can multiply it by 4 because there are 4 such kind of arcs. Okay, then 44 centimeters. Third question. From a square plate of side 24 centimeters, here it is given that the side length of this square is 24 centimeters long. 4 semicircles, each of radius 7 centimeter, are cut and removed as shown in the diagram. Okay, then 4 semicircles of each of radius 7 centimeter. Okay, radius of this, each of this is 7 centimeters. Cut and removed as shown in the diagram. Find the perimeter of the diagram. The circumference of a circle of radius r is 2πr. Take 5 equals to 22/7. Then you have to take the to find the perimeter, you have to take the arc length of this semicircle. Then let's find you can identify there are 2 full circles. No, actually it is to find this arc length, you have to find the perimeter of 2 circles. Then 2 into 2πr is 22/7. R is substituted by 7. Then 7 to 7 cancel. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 22, it is 88 centimeters. Then how we find this one? You can see that here it is 7, no? That means here also 7. Metana 7 තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේ කොටස කීයද? එතනත් 7. Then you can subtract 14 by 24. Then we obtain this length as 10 centimeters. Okay. Then this length also we know 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. This is also 10 centimeters. Then you can add 40 centimeters to 88. Then answer is 128 centimeters. Have you got these answers? Then here also for this 1 mark, and here 1 mark, altogether 2 marks given. Okay. In this case also for this whole calculation 1 mark, and finding the answer 1 mark. Altogether 2 marks given. In the previous question also substitution 1 mark. Here answer 1 mark, altogether 2 marks given. Marks හරියට දාගන්න අන්තිමට බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට marks කීයක් හම්බෙලා තියෙනවද කියලා. Okay, Pute. Then look at the fourth question. In the fourth question, it is mentioned that in a rectangular playground, The length and the breadth is 30.5 centimeters. In a rectangular playground, the length and the breadth is 30.5 meters and the 22.2 meters respectively. Find the area of the playground. Then it is 30.5 meters in length, 22.2 meters in breadth. Then 30.5 කිව්වහම අපි multiply කරනවා 305 times 222 multiply 2 into 5 10 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 1 2 into 3 is 6 2 into 5 10 2 into 0 is 1 2 into 3 is 6 again same thing repeated. Then add. Now what you have to do is, in the 2 decimal place that we multiply, there are 1 decimal place for each. Then all together 2 decimal places. නේද? මේ ගුණ කරන දෙන්නගේ එකක එක ගානේ තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් දෙකේම දෙකක් එනවා. එහෙනම් අපි අන්තිම answer එකේ decimal places දෙකක් separate කරා. ඇත්තටම මේකේ aim එක තමයි ඔයාලා decimal numbers හරියට multiply කරනවද කියලා බලන එක. Then answer is 677 1.0 meters. Raise your hand those who have got that answer. Okay, very good. Most of you have got that answer. Ne? ගොඩක් කට්ටිය අරගෙන තියෙනවා. Very good. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle of which the length of a side is 3.2 centimeters. Okay. Then how we find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all sides equal. Now you should know about this. All sides equal. Okay. Such kind of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Then this side also 3.2 centimeters. Here also 3.2 centimeters. Then to find the perimeter, we have to multiply 3.2 by 3. Because we have to add 3.2 centimeters. Okay. If it is difficult to multiply, you can add 3.2, 3.2, 3.2. Add. It is 9.6 centimeters. Okay. By multiplying also, you can obtain this. 6th question. A square plate A, B, C, D is shown in the diagram. If 2 sectors with A and D as centers with A and D as centers and if 2 sectors with A and D as centers and a semicircle with BC as diameter are cut and removed. Find the perimeter of the remaining shaded portion. To find the perimeter, you have to find these arcs. Okay. Arcs length හොයාගන්න වෙනවා. Then arc length of the semicircle. It is equals to half into 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is 7. You have to add this for 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 1/4. Here also 22. That means you can add 22. Add 22. 44 centimeters. And this 2 also should be added. 44 added 14. it is 58 centimeters. And if you need, okay, if you can identify, you can detect that if you find the perimeter or the circumference of a circle with 7 as the radius, same this answer can be obtained, because 2 quarters and a semicircle mean with the same radius, it is a one circle, no? Then 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. Then 44 centimeters. Then for this one, you can add the 2 sevens. That means 14. 58 centimeters. Have you find the area of the shaded portion? Okay. In the 7th question, using information given in the diagram, calculate the area of the shaded portion. Okay. How we find the area of the shaded portion? Shaded portion එකේ area එක ගන්නේ කොහොමද? Can any of you explain this one? Yes, Krishminda, can you?
Let's get the areas of two squares, add them and subtract the area of the unshaded part.
Do we do? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Oh, කියන්න පුතේ.
Area of two squares at an area of unshaded part subtracted by it.
Have all of you done it like that? Okay.
ඒක දෙපාරක් subscribe කරන්න.
අන්න හරි. ඒක දෙපාරක් subtract කරන්න ඕනේ. මොකද දැන් පුතේ මේ ඔයාලා මේ එකක හොයනවනේ. එතකොට මේ ඉඩ ප්‍රමාණය ඔයගොල්ලෝ හෙව්වා. ඊට පස්සේ ආයිමත් ඔයාලා මෙතන මෙයාගේ හොයද්දි ආයි මේ ඉඩ ප්‍රමාණයම කැල්කියුලේට් වෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට එකපාරක් නෙවෙයි දෙපාරක් මේ ඉඩ ප්‍රමාණය එකතු වෙලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් දෙපාරක්ම මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? මේ ඉඩ ප්‍රමාණය අයින් කරන්න ඕනේ. අන්න එතන තමයි ඔයගලන්ට චුට්ටක් අමතක වෙන තැන. හරි. Let's find the area of first square. Area of large square equals to 6 into 6, 36 square centimeters. Then area of small square equals to 4 into 4, 16 square centimeters. Then when you add these two together, then answer is 52 square centimeters. Then subtract 3 into 2, 6. The answer should be 46 square centimeters. Okay. Sorry, not 40, 40, yeah? We have to subtract 2, 3 into 2s. That means it is 12. Okay. 40 square centimeters. Okay. 8.1. The diagram shown 3 circles each of radius 7 centimeters. Touching each other externally. Taking 5 equals to 22 upon 7, find the area of the shaded portion. Take the area of an equilateral triangle having a side of length 14 centimeters as 84.86 square centimeters. Have you obtained this answer? ඔයාලා මේකට answer එකක් ගත්තද? මේකේ answer එකක් ගත්තද පුතේ? ක්‍රිෂ්මේන්ද්‍ර?
Teacher හදනවා.
හරි. කොක්කෝ ආන්සර් එකක් ගත්තා ඉන්නවද? How we can solve this one? කොහොමද ගන්න? Do we do?
ඔය මැද තියෙන shaded portion එක triangle එකක් විදිහට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Triangle එකක් විදිහට. ඔයාලට මම මෙන්න මෙහෙම දෙයක් කියන්න. Take the area of an equilateral triangle having a side of length 14 cm as 84.86 square centimeters කියලා කියනවා. මේ බලන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට පේනවා මෙන්න මෙතන නේද? මෙන්න මේ විදිහට හැදෙනව නේද මේ මොනවාද? equilateral triangle එක. මේකේ one side එකක් 14 centimeters එනව නේද? ඇයි මෙන්න මෙතන ඉඳන් මේක හොඳ ගානක් ටිකක් හිතන්න තියෙන තැන. මෙන්න මෙතන ඉඳන් පුතේ මෙන්න මෙතනට 7 centimeters නේ නේද? ඊළඟට මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතනට 7 centimeters. දැන් හැම පැත්තෙම මේක සිද්ධ වෙනවනේ. මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතනට 7 centimeters. 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 එහෙනම් මේ එක side එකක් 14 centimeters වෙනවා. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා දැන් මේ ගාන හදද්දි හිතන්න ඕනේ කොහොමද මේක හදපු කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවනේ? Raise your hand if you have got any answer.
Teacher,
Oh.
ඕකේ එන්නේ අර දැන් ඕක සම්පූර්ණ එක 80.86 එක තියෙනවා.
Oh.
ඊට පස්සේ අරවල මේ
Oh.
sectors වල
sectors අන්න
වල
හරි.
area එක හොයා ගන්නවා.
අන්න හරි. මෙන්න මේ sectors තුනේ area එක හොයන්න ඕනද? එතකොට එක sector එක හොයන්න එපා. එතකොට මේ sector එකේ arc length sorry angle at the center ගන්න කීයයි කියලාද?
60
degrees. ඇයි this is
Equilateral.
an equilateral triangle. Therefore this is 60 degree. Okay. Then find the area of 60 degree angle එකක් තියෙන sector එකේ හොයන්න. 360 into 5r square 22/7 into r කියන්නේ 7 0 to 0 cancel 1/6 එනවා මෙතනින් 7 to 7 cancel 22 divided by 2 it is 11 6 divided by 2 it is 3 then 77 divided by 3 නේද 77 divided by 3 square centimeters කියලා එනවා area of one sector sector. Okay, then area of 3 such sectors equals to 77 කියලා එනවා. Then what you have to do is you have to subtract the area of the 3 sectors by area of the equilateral triangle. Then 84.86 means 77 subtract then 7.86 square centimeters. Okay, did you get that answer? How was the answer?
Yes,
Okay. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇත්තටම ටිකක් අර ගැඹුරින් හිතන්න ඕනේ එකපාරට අර ඔය අපි ගණන් හදන්න ඇත්තට මේවා ගොඩක් කලින් ඉස්සර අවුරුදු වල පාස් පේපර්ස් ටිකක් පුතේ මම මේ ගත්තේ. ඒතකොට මේවා ඇතුලේ ඇත්තටම ටිකක් අර දැන් නම් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට දෙන්නේ 60 ඩිග්‍රී ඇන්ගල් එකක් දීලා එයාගේ සෙක්ටර් එකේ ඒරියා එක හොයන්න කියයි. ඒ වගේ පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නනේ. ඇත්තටම මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ විසඳන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඒ ගාන ඇතුලේ පොඩ්ඩක් හිතන්න දෙයක් තියෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් නිකන් ඔහේ ස්ට්‍රේට් ෆෝවර්ඩ් ගණන් හදලා වැඩක් නැහැ. Ninth question. A figure formed using 3 identical squares is shown here. Write the shaded area as a fraction of the total area of the figure. Okay. මේ shaded area එක total area එකෙන් කොච්චරක්ද කියන එක අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට බලන්න ඔයාලට මේක ගන්න ගියාම මේවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ calculate කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. ඔයා බලන්න මේ වගේ portions කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා මේකේ. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. එතකොට 2 upon 10. That means 1 upon 5. No? අපිට ලියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ write the shaded area as a fraction of total area of the figure. Then what you have to do is we have to count how many total, actually it is just kind of not a area related one, it is a fraction related one. Okay, you have to identify how many total equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, 2 parts are shaded. That means 1/5. Okay. Have you got that answer? Em answer එකක් අරගත්තද? Find the perimeter of the diagram. Okay. Here you have to find the perimeter.
ඔකට ඒ triangle දෙකේම right angle එන්න ඕනේ.
Oh, ඒ triangles දෙකම right angles
ඒක
දෙකක්.
දීලා නැහැ.
ඔව් ඒක දීලා නැහැ තමයි. ඒ දෙකම right angles කියලා තමයි අපිට consider කරන්න වෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේ වෙලාවක ඔයගොල්ලෝ right angles කියලා consider.
ඒක අපි හිතලා දාන්නනේ.
ඔව් right angles කියලා ගන්න. මේ සමහරක් විට ඒක මේකේ මම ගත්ත මේ resource එකේ තියෙන විදිහට ඒක දීලා තියෙනවා ඇති. Now what you have to do is apply the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem එක apply කරන්න. එතකොට අපිට BE හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. BE squared equals to 12 squared plus 5 squared. That means 144. Add 25. Answer is 169. Then BE is equals to 169. Then BE is equals to 13 centimeters. Okay. Then to find the BD, BD squared equals to 5 squared subtract 4 squared, 25 subtract 16. Answer is 9. That means BD equals to 3 centimeters. Okay. Then we have to find the DE. No? DE හොයාගන්නේ කොහොමද? 13 subtract 3, it is 10 centimeters. Now find the perimeter. It is perimeter equals to 12 add 5 add DE. It is 10 centimeters. Add 4 add 5. Yes. Twelve plus 5, it's 17. 17 plus 10, it is 27. 27 plus 4, it is 31 plus 5, 36 centimeters. Have you got that answer by taking these two by right angle triangles?
It is.
Girls, why are you Silent. How many units is length of the diameter of a circle of the area 45 square unit? Area එක 49 5 square units තියෙන circle එකක diameter එක කීයක් වේද කියලා අහනවා. Okay, let's see. It should be 5d over 2 squared because 5r squared ne api area එක හොයන්නේ 5r squared equals to 49. They have given it. Okay, 49 times 5 කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට මේ බලන්න අපිට 5 to 5 කපන්න පුළුවන් නේ. දෙපැත්තෙන් 5 තියෙන හින්දා 5 to 5 කැපෙනවා. Then d over 2 squared equals to 49. Take the square root of both sides. දෙපැත්තෙම square root එක ගන්න. Then d upon 2 equals to 7. Then d equals to 14 centimeters. Okay. Did you understand how I get this answer? Isurika, පැහැදිලිද මේක? පාරමී?
Yes, teacher.
කොබාන මේ answer එක මට කලින් answer එකක් ගත්තු අය? Raise your hand if you have got this answer.
Teacher, මේ screen එක මොනවද වෙන්නේ?
Ah? Oh, sorry. එහෙනම් මම මේක ආයි පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙන්න. මෙයාලා අපිට කියනවා question එකේ question එකේ කියනවා how many units is the length of the diameter of a circle of area 49 5 square units කියලා. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ 49 area 5 area of circle is given as 49 times 5. Then we know that area of a circle is 5r squared times 49 times 5. Then 5 to 5 can be cancelled. If now we have to find the diameter now, so you can substitute r by diameter. It is d upon 2 squared equals to 49. Now take the square root of both sides. Then this d over 2 equals to 4 square root of 49 is 7. Then to find the d, 2 into 7 is 14 centimeters. Okay. පැහැදිලිද? මේ answer එක ගත්තද ක්‍රිෂ්මින්ද?
Oration.
Okay, write down this one. Okay, shall we move to the next one? A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H in the given figure are equal squares. A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H. What fraction of the total figure is the shaded area equal to? Okay. Then in this case also, you have to check what is the portion they have shaded. එයාලා shade කරලා තියෙන portion එක කොච්චරක්ද කියලා බලන්න. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts are there. Equal parts are there. Out of 7 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. Therefore, what is the shaded portion? It is 1 out of 7. Determine for which value of the radius the numerical value of the circumference of a circle equals the numerical value of its area. Did you understand the question? Determine for which value of the radius value the numerical value of the circumference of a circle equals the numerical value of its area. Then here what you have to do is you have to equate 2 phi r into phi r square. Okay, because the numerical value of circumference, it is this one, it is equal for the numerical value of the area. Then this phi to phi cancel. Then 2 into r equals to r into r. Then r cancelled. Therefore, r should be equals to 2. If r is equals to 2, then the numerical value of the circumference of a circle equals to the numerical value of its area. Let's see whether it is correct. C is equals to 2 phi r. Then if it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 2. Then it is 88 upon 7. If you consider the area, then phi r squared. Then 22 upon 7, 2 into 2. 88 upon 7. That means if the radius is equals to 2, then the numerical value of circumference and area of a circle get equals. Okay. The figure denotes a sector of a circle of radius 10 centimeters. If OP is equals to 8 centimeters, find the area of rectangle OPQR. To find the OPQR, now we know the length, but we don't know what is the OR. That means breadth we don't know. If I take it as X, you can identify here, they form a right angle triangle. Okay, look at here. OQ is what? In the sector, OQ is, මේ sector එකේ OQ මොකද්ද? කියන්නකෝ.
Radius.
OQ is the radius. Okay. Then they have given radius as 10 centimeters. Then by Pythagorean theorem, we are going to find the PQO. OR means same area, same length. Then X is equals to X squared equals to 10 squared subtract 80 squared. That means 100 subtract 64. It is 36. Then X is equals to 6 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle OPQR. No? Then area of rectangle is equals to 6 into 8. 6 into 8, it is 48 square centimeters. Here it is given that dx equals xy equals AW in the square ABCD shown in the figure. What fraction is the shaded area of the square ABCD? මේ shaded area එක මේ color කරලා තියෙනවා වගේ කොච්චර කොටසක්ද කියලා අහනවා. They have given that dx, xy and yc AW. These parts are equal. Okay. Then if you separate, you can approximately separate it like this, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then out of 9, therefore shaded area is equals to 4 upon 9. Okay, in the 16th question, the region shaded in the figure is bounded by the two concentric circles of radii r. Concentric circles of radii r and 2r unit each. Okay, then r is this one, 2r is this one. What is meant by concentric circles? Do you know? Concentric circles mean circles with same center. Okay, the center of this small one also, if it is taken as O, then the center of the large circle also O. Those kind of circles are called concentric circles. 𝐏𝐚𝐸 වෘත්ත කියලා කියනවා. Radii r and 2r units each. If the area of the shaded region is 12 phi square units, find the value of r. r වල value එක අහනවා අපේ. Okay. Then shall we try to do this question? You have to find the value of r. It is given that the shaded area is equals to 12 phi. Then shaded area can be obtained by phi r square. That means here r should be substituted by 2r square subtract phi r square. Then here we obtained is 4 phi r squared subtract phi r squared. Then shaded area is equals to 3 phi r squared. Then it is given that shaded region is 12 phi. Then this phi to phi can be cancelled. And if you divide 12 by 3, which is 4. Then r squared is equals to 4. Then take the square root of both sides. Then r is equals to 2. Then radius is equals to 2 centimeters. Find the figure shown square of PQR QRS. Find the area of the square. You are asked to find the area of the square. Then to find the area of the square, you should have found the one length of this square. You can use the Pythagorean theorem. Then square root of 10. Square of square root of 10 equals to 2 squared added. We don't know what is this value is. If it is taken as x, then x square. 10 squared. Square root ඇතුලේ තියෙන දෙයක් square එකක් ගන්නකොට අපිට square root එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන එක answer එක විදිහට එනවා. 4 plus x square. Then 10 subtract 4, it is 6 square root. Here x. Then x is equals to 6 square root. Okay. Then after we find it as square root of 6, අපිට මෙතනට එනවා x කියන්නේ square root of 6 කියලා. Then we have to find the area of the PQRS, no? Then you have to multiply square root of 6 by square root of 6. Then 6 into 6, it is 36. Square root of 36 is 6 centimeters. Is there anyone those who have got this answer? Me answer ගත්තා ඉන්නවද? Did you understand this part? කොටස පැහැදිලිද? Okay, then let's move to the 18th question. A sector and the triangle adjoin each other are shown in the figure. If the area of the triangle is equal to that of the sector, using given information, find the area of the sector in centimeters. Let's find the, now we have to find the radius of the sector. No? They have given the area of the triangle is equals to that of the sector. Then area of sector. Area of sector is equals to 40 upon 360 into 22 upon 7. R තමයි අපිට හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ. We don't know what is the R is. It is 1 upon 9 times 22 upon 7. Then they have given that if the area of the triangle is equals to the area of the sector. Okay. Then how we find the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equals to, here if I take this as R, Then half into base, it is 25 into perpendicular height is r. Okay. Then what you have to do is you can equate these two. 5r squared, no? Then 1 upon 9 times 22. 22 upon 2. Here we obtain the r as 9 centimeters. Okay. What you have to do is area of the sector equal to the area of the triangle because it is given here. The circumference of the base of a cone is 16.5 centimeters. Find the radius of the base and the perpendicular height of this height. Sorry, my 19th question. It should be in the second part. Okay, 20th also not relevant to here. In the figure, ABCD is a square, BCE is a sector. Find the perimeter of the composite figure. Then to find the area of the sector, okay? Area of sector is equals to 1/4 into 5r square. That means 22 upon 7 into r square means r is given here. It is 154 square centimeters. Oh, sorry, here it is not the area, no? It is, we have to find the perimeter. Sorry. In the figure, ABCD is a square, BC is a sector. Find the perimeter. Okay. Then to find the perimeter, you should have found this arc length. Okay. Then arc length is obtained by arc length. It is obtained by 1/4 into 25 r. Then 1/4 2 into 22/7 into r is also 7. It is 11 centimeters. Then when you add, no need to add this BC part. Okay, you have to add all other straight lines. There are 4 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sevens are there. That means perimeter of composite figure . Perimeter of composite figure is 11 added 28. Then answer is 39 centimeters. I think you should have got this answer, no? Aranne tiyenne me answer එක. Okay. In the 23rd question, the arc length of the sectors of the circle shown in the figure A and figure B are equal. Find the value of R. Here the arc length of the sectors are equal. Okay. Arc length equal කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. Then let's find the arc length. Here 1/8 into 2, 5 R. R is capital R. Let's 1/4 of 2, 5. R is 7. Then 5 to 5 can be cancelled. You have to find the capital R. Therefore, take all the numerator values to, so denominator values to numerator and the numerator values to denominator. Then capital R is equals to 14 centimeters. Okay. The arc length of a sector of a circle is radius 7 centimeters is 11 centimeters. What fraction of the circle is the sector? Okay. Sector එක මේකෙන් කී ගුණයක්ද කියලා අහනවා. The arc length of a sector of a circle is 7 centimeters. It is 11 centimeters. That means theta upon 360 into 25 R is equals to 11. Okay. Then theta upon 360, we have to find it. That's what they asked to find the fraction. Then 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is 7, 11. It is 1/4. That means we obtain the answer theta upon 360 as 1/4. That means you have to write that the fraction of the circle is, what fraction of the circle is sector? It is 1/4. Okay. Have you finished with the 25th question? 25th එක කරාද? The arc length of a sector of a circle is 7 centimeters. Arc length එක 7 centimeters කියලා කියනවා. හරිද? Okay. The arc length of a sector of a circle is straight circle of radius 7 centimeters, 11 centimeters. What track? It is 1/4. The figure shows two segments of circles drawn inside a circle with a side of 49 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. Then to find the area of the shaded portion එකේ area එක අපි කොහොමද හොයාගන්නේ? First of all, find the area of the square. Area of shaded portion. To find the area of the shaded portion, first of all, you have to find the area of the sector or area of a square. It is 49 into 49. Then we find the area of the square as 2401. Okay. Then what you have to do is you have to subtract a 1/4 by 2401. Okay. 2401. Then what you have to do is subtract a quarter. Okay, quarter එකක් subtract කරාම it's remaining this part. මෙන්න මේ part එක ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. හරිද? Then to find the area of sector එකක area එක 1/4 into 5r squared. That means 1/4 into 22/7 into 49 into 49. It is 77 into 49/2. Okay. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයා කරන්න ඕනේ. Let's see what is the answer for this one. හරිද? අපිට sector එකේ එච්චර ලොකු ගානක් ආවද? 39r squared. Square එකට ආවේ අපිට 49 into 49 2401. Divide 3773 by 2. එයා දෙකෙන් බෙදුවම අපිට එනවා 1886.5 කියලා. හරිද? දැන් ඔයාලා කරන්න ඕනේ මේ ඒරියා එකනේ. මෙන්න මේ සෙක්ටර් එකේ ඒරියා එක. To find now our aim is to find this part. මෙන්න මේ part එක හොයාගන්න එක තමයි අපේ aim එක. එතකොට අපිට ඒක ගන්න පුළුවන් area of out of shaded portion. Shaded portion එකට එළියෙන් තියෙන කොටසේ අපිට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් by subtracting the shade area of the sector by the area of the square. It is for 514.5. Okay. Then to find the area of the shaded portion, what you have to do is area of shaded portion. Shaded portion එකේ area එක හොයාගන්න නම් ඔයා කරන්න දැන් අපි හොයාගත්තනේ මෙන්න මේ සුදු පාට කොටස area එක. Then it is this one. Now what you have to do is you have to subtract area of the square to the area of the square and subtract it by 2 of these. මේවා වගේ දෙක අඩු කරන්න. It is 1029. I mean මේ කොටස් එකක අපි හොයාගත්තා. මේ කොටස් එකක අපි හොයාගත්තා. එහෙනම් මේ වගේ කොටස් දෙකක් එකතු කරලා නේද? ඒ වගේ කොටස් දෙකක් එකතු කරලා ස්ක්වයර් එකෙන් අඩු කරන්න. Answer is 1372. Is there anyone? Those who have got that answer? මේ answer ගත්ත කවුරුත්ම නැද්ද? Okay, Pute, did you understand how I obtained this answer? කාට හරි අපහැදිලි තැනක් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න. මේකේ කරන්න ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ස්ක්වයර් එකේ area එක හොයාගන්න ඕනේ. Area of the square is fine. Then after you have to find the area of the sector. Okay. It is 1/4 of 5r square. Then we obtain it as 1886.5. Now what you have to do is you have to subtract this amount by the area of a square. Square area එකෙන් මේ කොටස අඩු කරන්න. Then we obtain, okay, what here happen? We obtain අපිට හම්බෙනවා. දැන් මෙන්න මේ කොටසේ අපිට හම්බෙලා තියෙනවනේ. ඒ වගේ කොටස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Therefore 514.5 multiplied by 2. Then there we obtain 1029. Then after subtract 1029 by 2401. Okay. Is there any doubts to ask? Okay, here I remove 2 questions, no? Questions දෙකක් මම අතහැරියා. Because they are related to the area and volume lesson. Okay. Now here, out of 23, please raise your hand those who have got 23. අර මම මේ දෙන්න හැර මේ දෙක හැර අනිත් question වල those who have got 23 out of 23. Is there anyone? No. 22 upon 23. 21 upon 23. 20 upon 23. That means all of you less than 20. හැමෝම මෙතන ඉන්න අය 20ට අඩුයි. හොඳටම මදි හොඳේ. ඔයිට වැඩි ඔයගොල්ලෝ මහන්සි වෙන්න ඕනේ. Do you have any questions to ask? අහන්න මොනවා ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Okay, then here I will stop the class. The next time I will discuss the short, not short questions, actually structured essay questions related to measurements. Okay, then here I will stop. Thank you for your participation. Goodbye. God bless you. Good night all.
Teacher receive the mark.
Yes, what is the mark, dear?
92.
Okay, very good. Can you send me your paper? ඔයාගේ වරදුණු ටික මට පොඩ්ඩක් එවනවද? තියෙද paper එක?
Paper එක දුන්නා.
Hello. දුන්නේ නැද්ද? හරි පුතේ හරි. හොඳයි ඈ. හොඳයි නෝකුණු. ඔයාගේ පළවෙනි එකට කොහොමද? එහෙම දන්නේ නැද්ද?
පළවෙනි එකට 98යි.
හරි. දෙවෙනි එකට දැන් චුට්ට අඩු වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒකට කීයද දන්නේ?
ඒකට 86ක් තිබ්බා.
ඒක තමයි. ඒක චුට්ට හිර මෙහෙර වෙලානේ. හරි. හරි පුතේ හොඳයි ඈ.